Hello. Welcome to Hexal Dutch School. Today, we are going to learn about the Dutch letter N. The Dutch N is pronounced as N, similar to the English N in nice. Listen carefully. Say it with me. N. Now, repeat after me. N. Once more. N. Let's practice it a few more times. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say it again. N. Now a little faster. N. And once more at normal speed. N. A common mistake is confusing N with M. Make sure to pronounce N with a clear nasal sound, keeping the tongue against the upper gums. One more time. N. Let's say it 3 more times together. First, slowly. N. Now, a little faster. N. Finally, at normal speed. N. Great job. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.